Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Simplified. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect another OnlyFans account to your OnlyFans account. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser, then type in onlyfans.com. Once you do that, go ahead and log in into your OnlyFans account by giving options to log in into your OnlyFans account. Now on the screen at the bottom, you're gonna find 5 options there: home, notifications, new posts, chat, and your user icon. Tap on your user icon. Then the first option there is your name. Now right beside the name, you're gonna find a drop down icon. Tap on it. Then you'll see add another account option right below your username. Tap on add another account. Now you're gonna have to type in your OnlyFans username and tap on connect. Once you do that, you have to go ahead and type in your password there. Once you type in your password, you're gonna have to go ahead and tap on login. Once you do that, it's gonna send you a verification code on your email ID. Go ahead, look for the email sent by OnlyFans, copy the code, paste it, and it will be done. And guys, that's it. That's how you connect another OnlyFans account to your OnlyFans account. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.